Jace Tunnell here. Check out what I found on the beach. Bowling ball. And you might be thinking, what? And I'm not a bowler. I mean, I don't know a lot about bowling, but this is surprising to find a bowling ball on the beach. And my only guess is that this is made out of like hard plastic and it floats, and that's why we're able to find it. Now, some of you that are bowlers, you know, maybe you know that these things are made out of marble or something else. I don't know. Maybe they're all made out of this really hard plastic. But, you know, this is something interesting to find on the beach. This one has cracks all over it. And so I don't know how old this thing is, but it's got to be old. Okay, let me read here. Columbia, I guess is the name brand. It's a 300. It doesn't quite fit my fingers, so I'm guessing it's maybe for maybe a kid or something. And then it's got something on here, ILOION. No, that's not right. ILO1011? I don't know. Maybe that has something to do with the type of bowling ball. I'm just really ignorant when it comes to bowling. But I don't mind this being out here on the beach because I'm taking this home. I'm sure my wife's gonna be real happy with me bringing a bowling ball home. But I was gonna see if we can see how it works. So y'all watch right there. See if we can go down. Okay, so how do you think this thing actually got out here? Huh? Well, y'all have heard me talk about stuff, weird stuff washing up before. Actually, scientific equipment and stuff washing up out here. And people are measuring ocean currents, wave heights, salinities, pH, all kinds of things. And there's a lot of good reasons for wanting to know that kind of stuff, even when it comes to storm surge, hurricanes, oil spills, algal blooms like red tide, you know, stuff like that, stuff that can be harmful to humans. There's great knowledge in knowing how the ocean currents are working. Well, I'm betting that this is how this thing showed up on our beach here. It could be from the US, you know, the Mississippi River drains 41% of the United States. It could have come down there, washed up on the beach. Could have come from another country, either in the Gulf of Mexico, like Mexico, or it could have come from, you know, we find stuff as far away as Brazil and West Africa that are just getting in the loop current, getting those eddies and coming back up on the beach. So this bowling ball could actually be coming from anywhere in the world. Let's see if I can roll it towards you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, but for real, we're actually working out here doing research, counting birds, looking for turtles, marine mammals. We don't play around out here. This is serious business, okay? All right, now I'm gonna let y'all go with the theories of why this is out here, but we'll talk to you next time. Bye.